In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and run reports in Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process of accessing and generating custom reports. Let's dive right in and simplify this task for you. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Zoho Books URL, or you can simply search for Zoho Books in your search engine. Once the web page opens, you're going to look for the sign in option. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page, making it easy to find. Click on the sign in button and you'll be directed to the Zoho Books login page. Here, you'll enter your credentials, your email and password to gain access to your account. If you use Google to sign in, you can choose the option to log in via your Google account for a seamless experience. Once signed in, you'll land on the Zoho Books homepage, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the Zoho Books homepage, you'll notice the dashboard with various options available to you. We're interested in generating reports, so let's focus on that. Look over to your left-hand sidebar and you'll see an option labeled Reports. Click on it to open the reporting section. This area gives you access to various types of pre-built reports across different categories like finances, sales, purchases, and more. It's really a treasure trove of insights. Now, if you're looking to create something specific that isn't covered by the standard reports, don't worry. Zoho Books has you covered. Look for the Create Custom Report option. It's designed to cater to those unique reporting needs, allowing you to tailor your data to fit specific requirements. Clicking on this will open a new interface where you have the flexibility to choose various parameters, data fields, and filters. Customize your report until it reflects the exact information you need. Take your time to explore the options within the custom report section. You can experiment by selecting different variables until you find what works best for your analysis. After you've finalized your custom report parameters, there's typically an option to preview your report. Don't hesitate to use this to ensure everything looks right before you finalize. Once satisfied, the final step is to save and run your report. Zoho Books will generate the report based on your selections, and you'll be able to view your data in the concise format you designed. You also have the option to export your report if you need it for presentations or further analysis on other platforms. And there you have it, a straightforward way to find and run reports in Zoho Books. I hope you find this tutorial helpful as you navigate through Zoho Books to fulfill your reporting needs. Thank you for watching, and happy reporting.